with each step of makeup that we do, we're gonna answer a question. The first question, we were like pounding each other with sand.
I don't think so.
You don't think so? How do you cut toxic people out of your life? You've never cut somebody out of your life.
Toxic?
Yes.
What is the better tasting? I'm putting on a nice. Get your hair away from my god.
We obviously have to change outfits. I think I'm gonna do a slicked low ponytail. Hold it really tight. This dress is from Revolve. They're so beautiful. Ange's outfit is from... Hey, how are you? If you're new to my channel, my name is Evangelina. This is my cousin Ange, but for those of you who know me, you probably know that we are in Greece. This is not my normal setting. We're in Santorini right now. We've decided to film a Get Ready With Me. We're going to dinner tonight, like every other night, but...
And we're gonna be answering questions.
Oh yeah, how could I forget? I posted a picture on my Instagram story. I feel like it's really echoey.
It's really hot in here.
We are gonna answer them as we do our makeup.
What is on my brush? That's my question.
What? What is that? And I think with each step of makeup that we do, we're gonna answer a question. How does that sound?
Okay, well, ask one, because I already finished.
Yeah, she got started a little while ago. I want to just let everyone know that we went to Sephora before this trip to get some new makeup, okay? And we got Beauty Blender, the Beauty Blender brand to be exact, and it sucks.
No, yeah,
It literally doesn't blend.
I swear by the Real Techniques.
I have yet to try it.
Like the big orange one. That's
I need to go. Usually I use the pink one. I don't know if they're like different with the colors, but this nude one,
I just don't know why you spend $20 on.
Yeah, really. The first question. This is a funny one. Biggest fight you guys ever had as cousins? Oh,
we don't really fight at all.
The biggest like actual fight that I recall is the sand pit. Do you remember that?
I lived on a golf course and I literally got into a huge fight. We were
like pounding each other with sand.
Did we pull our hair?
Probably.
We were probably like 7, I don't know.
Alright, if I was 7, she was 8. She's a year older than me. I don't know if I said that, but yeah, that was like probably over something stupid too. We were just young and like dumb. It's just funny to look back on, and it's such like a memory we'll never forget. But like actual like verbal fight, we don't have to fight. We kind of do like the same makeup in a way.
I finished my shit in 5 minutes.
Yeah, I take a pretty long time, but I really take my time on everything I do. So least favorite Zodiac sign.
Cancer.
That one came right to mind. I don't
think you even follow Zodiac.
Yeah, I was just gonna say, I don't really like look at somebody and know their Zodiac.
I mean, nobody just knows.
A lot of people do.
No,
nowadays, they're like, oh my god, you're such a Aquarius.
Yeah, no, I don't get that at all.
Yeah. So I would say I hate the Zodiac signs of people that I dislike.
There's no way you're just still on your contour.
Listen.
You cannot.
Oh, by the way, that was the by Mario light medium contour stick. We got this when we went to Sephora before a trip, and it's actually really good. It's like tie with the Charlotte Tilbury one. Yeah, I guess I don't have like a least favorite Zodiac sign. Would you ever move away from your hometown? Before I get into that, if you guys don't know, Ange lives in Florida, so we have like a long distance cousinship, and it's honestly really depressing because we've grown up together, but we only get to see each other like 2 to 3 times a year. And obviously when you're that close with somebody, you want to spend every waking moment with them, but unfortunately we just can't seem to do that. So
I don't think I'd ever move away. I don't know. I get so homesick. Like now I'm not homesick, but it's just like I feel like it's time to go home.
Well, we've been here for a long time, but this is different. If you had like a home in another state, that would feel like home.
Yeah, but like even with college, like I just wouldn't.
Yeah, no, college is a whole different story. I feel like I would move away, but like short term, not for like my whole life. Just like experience a different environment and like surrounding and stuff.
If I was just to up and do it by myself, no. If I was doing it with like my husband, yeah.
So now I'm using the Bobbi Brown bronzing powder in the shade medium 2. I use this brush from Ulta. I don't even know what it is. It Cosmetics number 7, and it's like dual-sided. And I use the same thing, and I use it as like a little shadow.
This lighting is awful.
Don't go that close. That's why I'm standing far away from the camera. Next, I'm going in with the Tower 28 Magic Hour, and I use the Beauty Blender, like the butt of it, and I just go along like so.
How do I know
yeah.
the boy is into me? You shouldn't have to question it. I don't know. People are so weird.
Yeah, everybody's like different. I guess if they're like showing you attention and like giving you the time of day, then I guess that means that they are interested in you. But kind of like don't be so easy to get. Like leave some spice there and let them like. No, I know, but I'm saying like don't be so like spamming them with like texts and stuff because no boy really likes that.
Be the chase, not the chaser.
Exactly.
Just making
I know, really. I'm like, I feel like I'm being watched.
Yeah, like
my mom is in the other room. Somebody asked, do you guys think you would be friends if you weren't cousins?
I don't think so.
You don't think so?
I don't think I would. Yeah, we would.
I don't know. That's like a tough one because we are so alike in so many ways, but also really different. I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury Beauty Light Wand in the shade Spotlight.
Take that back. I wouldn't. I don't know.
I just feel like
would I go out of my way and try and be friends with you? I don't go out of my way and try and be friends with anybody.
Yeah, I feel like Anne's is very selective with her friends, and we kind of like have different tastes of like a lifestyle. Like she likes to go out kind of, and I'm just like kind of like a homebody.
You're an introvert.
Yeah, but like I also do enjoy going out with like people that I'm close with.
They don't even understand what you're trying to say, but we understand it.
Yeah, I don't know.
Like
yes, but no.
I don't pick girly girls to be friends with, and you're a girly girl.
Yeah,
but I'm a girly girl. But
yeah.
I'm not at the same time. I don't know how to explain it, but it makes sense to us.
Definitely not no, but like, how do you cut toxic people out of your life?
EVANGE is the person to talk to.
No, you've never cut somebody out of your life.
Toxic?
Yes.
I'm such a forgiving person.
Yeah,
it's so hard for me to like. It's so.
I mean, I guess I am too in a way because like.
But you.
I believe in second chances, yeah. But at the same time, you have to like set a boundary and like know when they've crossed that line. Then just cut them out. And honestly, you don't need to leave anybody an explanation because at the end of the day, they know why you stopped talking to them and they know what they did wrong. Actions speak louder than words, and that's that.
I'll pick one.
Yeah, pick one. A lot of them are like, I don't know.
As old as me, I'm 19.
Yeah.
Our sets are from Victoria's Secret.
They're super comfortable. They're like a short set. Oh, and I saw before someone asked if you have a boyfriend.
Oh. I'm like, it depends who's asking. No,
yeah, really. No, but realistically.
Yeah, I'm off the market.
Are you? I'm like, wait a second, what? Fill me in.
Let's see. What is the better tasting guy?
In guys?
She does. Not look-wise. Sorry.
Calm down. Personality, respect, kindness, everything like that.
Advice with boys, high school drama.
It doesn't mean anything.
You really feel like it's like the end of the world if like something happened, but I remember shit that I used to like trip over. In high school, I don't think about it. It just doesn't matter.
Yeah.
Literally.
In the moment, it definitely feels like it
seems
does.
like it's the biggest thing.
But if you like look back on it, you're gonna literally laugh and be like, why was I bugging? Because it literally doesn't mean anything. I can guarantee you that you may be friends with like 4 or 5 people when you graduate high school. Yeah, less in my case, but like everybody's different.
But the people that you're prioritizing and like thinking and worrying about, don't even worry about it. Don't let it consume you or anything because it doesn't mean shit. Okay, I'm done.
Now that my mascara is all done, I'm gonna go in with this Urban Decay Blackout eyeshadow, and I use an angled brush, the number 22 from Sephora. This is how I do my winged eyeliner.
Are you gonna go visit MQ?
Of course.
I'm putting on a nice. Get your hair away from my god. Whoever's watching this needs to get this. It's just not gonna focus. But it's the Laneige.
Laneige, yeah. Moonlight Caviar Eye Stick, and I put this on my waterline, like so. Am I done? We obviously have to change outfits. I think I'm gonna do a slicked low ponytail. I guess I'll just show you guys how I do my hairstyle because I do get a ton of questions whenever I slick it, which is like a lot, especially when I'm on vacation because I just don't put heat on my hair. But I'm doing a low slicked ponytail because it's just the easiest to do. This isn't the gel I always use, but it's just easy for traveling. It is the Garnier Vertice Style Curl Scrunch Controlling Gel, and I just lather it on my hair. Well, first I kind of like brush it flat and get it all like tamed kind of, and then I start brushing it like so. Take a little bit more. I will take this round brush that kind of has like the extra bristles in it. This is from like a beauty supply store by my house, but I will link a similar one if I can find one off Amazon. This is like the best slicking brush that I've had. I really tested out a bunch and it gets everything super nice and neat looking. I just keep going around my head, and then I will take take an eyebrow brush spoolie thing and run it along the frame of my face. Super sleek. And so all the hairs are like kind of going in the same direction. Okay, and then I will gather all of my hair, hold it really tight, and then pull it through the rubber band as many times as possible. I will take a hairspray. These flyaways over here around the ear. I will take this same gel, run it through the ponytail, and kind of scrunch it a little bit so that it stays kind of looking like that wet look. And then the last thing that I will do, taking a little piece from under here and then wrapping it around the ponytail holder so that it looks nice and complete and finished. So now that my hair and makeup is all complete, it is quite clearly golden hour outside. My mom is ironing my dress that I'm wearing for tonight because it's like a silky moment and it's kind of really wrinkly from my luggage. I also just put on bio oil. I don't know if you can see that my legs are like super shiny. I got it from like a market here, but they sell it at like Sephora. I'm pretty sure it's literally the brand Bio Oil. This dress is from Revolve, the Lovers and Friends brand, and my shoes are from Nasty Gal. Earrings are from EP Jewels, and this necklace is my mom's. These sunsets just never get old. They're so beautiful. Angela's outfit is from Beginning Boutique. This is the end of the video. I will leave our Instagrams here. Check them out to see the pictures that we get. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little get ready with me. And yeah, I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah!